Looking for a quick and easy way to download Bilibili on your iPhone? In this video, I'll show you what you need to know, especially if Bilibili isn't showing up in your App Store. First, open the App Store on your iPhone and tap on Search. Now, type Bilibili into the search bar and search for the app. If you don't see the Bilibili app here, there's most likely nothing wrong with your iPhone. Bilibili is currently expanding its international availability, and the newer international version may not yet be available on iOS in your country or region. Bilibili has already started expanding its international app to more users, and broader iOS availability is expected to follow. So, for now, you may need to wait until Bilibili becomes officially available in your region's App Store. Once it launches in your region, simply come back to the App Store, search for Bilibili, find the official app, and tap Get. Confirm the installation using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password, and the app will download and install on your iPhone. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribing for more simple how-to guides.